Okay guys, I had to show you this. This is how bad it is. Look at the snow. It's probably about 7 inches of snow. Look at this. And it's really windy. And I'm gonna start my car and get it out of the snow. Ah, that's my foot. A lot of snow. It's gonna be a white Christmas for sure. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Are you guys ready to see how much snow we have? Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just finished shoveling all the snow. So here it is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all that snow. Wow. That's all the snow that I took out of my driveway. And I usually don't shovel the whole thing because it's way too long, and I just shovel like for one car space, and that's about it. And let's go check what the girls are doing. Nice. First lady. Ahí fue. You guys having fun?
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for asking. So slow. Wow. I'm gonna hang on the back with my face on it. I love it now. So hold on to the other front. Okay, Tia. Wait, Gabby, you go. No, I don't. Fine.
Here I go. Ah, here we go.
Why do I always have to bring this? Is that fun?
Hay que aplanar aquí para que te vayas por aquí recto. Hay que aplanar aquí.
I'm going. Let's go together, Gabby. Sure thing. Wow, my legs hurt. Look at that. Look. Oh, say hi, Gabby. Hello. Hi, please. Okay.
Look how deep the snow is.
What? Gabby, our dad.
Oh, that's my uncle, by the way. Whew, this is good exercise, just going up and down. You wanna get you wanna say something for the YouTube community?
What? No, I don't want to. Go, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Go!
Like, help me!
Ah, this is so much fun, huh? And it's freaking cold too. Whew. You cold?
No, it's just no game came up my head. No, honey, I have snow on my face now.
You guys know everywhere. You guys want to go inside for a minute?
Sure.
Huh? And then we'll come back. What, honey? Okay, go.
Can you push me?
Yeah, grab yourself. Yep.
Can you turn me around?
Here you go.
Turn me around.
Bye. What, honey bunny?
Come on.
You want to do it with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna try to go with Andrea.
Yeah, and I'm gonna.
Here we go! Woo! Yeah! Go first, okay?
Okay. What? Okay, it's my turn.
Go, honey.
Here? Okay.
Arréglate la gorra. Yep.
Little, no. Help. Move!
Go.
I'm going!
Woo! Tiana, you ready? The slide is way much better. When it was the snow. You wanna go again?
Yeah.
She's having a blast. You like this, huh? It's funny because she bounces into the snow and that's what she likes. She's so sweet. You want to go again? They're the other ones having fun up there. Go.